This guy made a brand new channel very recently and already earned this small figure. Sure, he just got monetized and got only 17.8K views with just one viral video. But I got big figures for you too. Check this out. This channel is making $2,000 each month with 253,000 subscribers and just 13 videos. Another channel that's also making thousands of dollars with only 14 videos so far. So, what's the secret? Faceless YouTube Automation using AI to create videos that work 24/7, where you don't have to do any heavy lifting. And if you are about to ask how, don't, because right now I'm already going to show you exactly how to launch your own channel step by step, using only AI tools and earn thousands of dollars every month, faster than most creators get their first 1,000 views. Just stick around for the next 15 minutes, have your pen and notebook ready, because you might want to take some notes. Else miss a step, and your channel might become a guaranteed flop with half-baked knowledge. Understanding the channel. Let's start with a brainstorming session first. Why do some YouTube channels blow up overnight while others hardly receive any attention? Luck? No, it's actually a strategy which, if you don't know, might look like luck. To explain how it works, let me tell you this channel's story. They didn't select any random topic, they selected self-improvement. It's a category that has a huge scope of growth. It will never go outdated, and it has a high earning potential per each 1,000 views. But they soon faced a problem. Almost all creators were copying the same thing. Naturally, being different looked virtually impossible. So they applied a new idea. Instead of relying on the typical stock footage or cliché B-roll, they started using film scenes in between inspirational messages that kept people watching. They made their videos brief at 4 to 5 minutes, just long enough for the audience to sense that they'd learned something worthwhile before the video was over. And the result? Both the viewers and YouTube algorithm loved it. But there was another smart trick that made the channel a phenomenon: its branding. The thumbnails were minimalist, almost basic, with only a dash of red that snapped your attention. That gives it a premium touch. See, that little bit made a big impact, and soon, others began copying it too. And then something interesting happened. Another channel showed up based on the same principles as Modern Ideas with slightly clearer branding. Their first video got more than 500,000 clicks in less than 2 months. Again, it was no luck with the formula. It worked again and again. So what's the point? If you want to create a channel that grows rapidly, it all comes down to two things: the way your channel looks and the way you edit videos. Get those right and you're halfway there. But here's the twist. Now, you're not just going to learn these strategies, you're going to see exactly how to apply them to start your very own YouTube automation channel. And the next chapter? It reveals a secret step that most creators completely miss, one that can make or break your success. The first thing is the name. And yes, it has to be an easy-to-remember name that suits your niche and will catch attention. But you don't have to worry about it. Just launch ChatGPT and ask if it's familiar with the channels that inspire you. Then give it a prompt. I want to create a similar channel. Can you provide me with one-of-a-kind and easy-to-remember name suggestions? Within minutes, ChatGPT will provide you with a list of good names. But one pro tip: before you select a name, check on YouTube using the channel search filter to make sure no one else is using this name. If all the names are in use, request ChatGPT for more suggestions or use simple synonyms to make new ones. If you find a name that fits, create an email address using the same name as your channel. In case the same name is not available for email, you can just add words such as YouTube or official at the end. Now, here's something very important. Do not use this new channel for anything else. I mean, do not watch songs or random videos on this account. If your channel is about self-improvement, only watch self-improvement videos. Treat this account like a work account. The reason is simple. If you only watch videos in your niche, YouTube will show you more videos from the same niche. This way, you will spot new trends fast. You will also be able to monitor your competitors with ease. But even if your channel is prepared, it's not enough. Because it lacks branding, and the right branding got the power to take you a long way. Both of them have white channel art, and there is red text. Their logos also have red and white. So we are going to do the same. Go to ChatGPT and write, I have selected Dandadhas as my channel name. I am looking for a logo for my channel. The logo must be kept simple, use red and white color, and red must be the primary color. Can you provide some ideas for logos for my niche? ChatGPT will immediately provide you with some ideas. Select a few ideas and create images for them. And for that, you don't need to go anywhere else. ChatGPT 5 can handle it well. You can just compare and ultimately pick the best one. For example, I personally liked this one the most. Show the logo zooming in. And with a great logo must come a solid banner as a part of branding. Again, hit ChatGPT with another prompt to come up with a banner image. Just remember, the size of a YouTube banner is 2,560 by 1,440 pixels. But in case you got the image of small size, you can resize it in Canva, Photopea, or Photoshop. So now branding is complete. And our next step is something that has the potential to turn the difference between a viral channel and a non-viral channel. This step got a secret that all the big creators know and use, but the small creators? They don't. It's called channel setup, and honestly, the process is easy. Simply start by logging into your Google account and going to YouTube Studio. Then, click your profile. Click Create a Channel. Give it the name you decided. Then, add the profile pic and banner. Confirm your account using your phone, enter a short description and links. You can even upload a test video to make sure everything is working. Just like that, within a matter of minutes, your channel can go live. But the secret is attention to detail, and because the channel is not just for uploading videos, you have to set it up so YouTube pushes your content. Big creators optimize every detail: name, description, banner, profile picture, and playlists. And newbies? They just open a channel with some generic mouse clicks. Naturally, they fail to create their marks right in the first place, and even great videos get lost. Make sure your channel description got relevant keywords, explain what your channel offers, and hook viewers. And there's only one way to do this. Treat like your business brand. When you have multiple videos in your channel, structure playlists so similar videos are grouped. These boosts watch time. Add some socials or links to maintain engagement even outside the video. If you do this right, YouTube will treat your channel differently and growth will be 3 times faster, because 97% of creators just skip it due to procrastination. But these are just supporting pillars. If your content isn't solid, these pillars can't do anything. And since our goal is to go viral with minimum videos, definitely they have to be razor sharp. Just look at those 2 channels. They went viral because they created videos on concepts that had already been trending and popular. Plus, they applied their innovative and out-of-the-box touch. If you want to do the same, start by doing a controversial task. Subscribe to the top 10 channels in your niche. If your niche is faceless self-improvement, subscribe to channels who are using movie clips or AI clips to educate or inspire people. Why? Because your feed will be full of lots of videos that are already successful and people like. Now you have 2 options to search for ideas. Either you can use AI or you can manually do it. I am going to show you both options. Let's start by observing your competitors' channels. Turn the popular filter on and look at which videos have performed extremely well. Look at which subjects are on a lot of channels. Now the trick is not just copying these ideas, but to repeat the cycle in a smart way. Here's how to proceed. Go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt to behave as a YouTube content strategist. Provide it with 2 lists. One list contains viral concepts and the other list contains general concepts from your competitors. Then, instruct ChatGPT to come up with new content ideas. And these new ideas must maintain the core idea, but should not be a copycat to the previous videos. ChatGPT will instantly tell you why the idea works for the competitors, and then provide you with new ideas along with reasons why they may trend. Just see here, I got 10 extremely good ideas from 2 competitors alone. And based on my experience, I can assure that 5 of these may go viral if executed well. Think about it. Just by analyzing 2 sample channels, we got 5 potential viral topics. Imagine how many fail-proof ideas you would get from 10 channels. Successful concepts repeat, so don't hesitate to borrow ideas. Just make them your own. Once you lock a great idea, your video can go from 500,000 to 1 million views or more. Only one thing can kill this potential, and that's a bad script. That's why it's extremely important to know how to script something that will make people watch from the very beginning. You will get some smart hacks too to get people to watch till the end. First, you need to keep in mind what your niche is and who your target audience is. Based on that, you can search your video concept on YouTube. For example, I Googled the concept suggested by ChatGPT, how to think like a genius without being one. You'll have a lot of suggestion videos, and this is where it gets interesting. You are not searching for a video to copy. You are searching to know the patterns in video creation. I started searching and discovered a video on Elon Musk. It was nice, but I don't think my audience would connect with it. Later, I saw another 20-minute video, but it was too long for my target audience, who like watching 4 to 5-minute videos. So I kept browsing through further, and I discovered an anime motivation video. This was unique. The subject was not the same, but the script of another video was flawless. The hook, the tempo, and how it addressed the audience were all perfectly what I wanted. The most important thing is the pattern of scripting, not specifically the subject matter. After you have discovered 3 to 4 such videos, you can get their scripts from transcriptions. Just go to the description box of any video, click on ID, More, scroll down a bit and you will see Show Transcript. Click on it, and on the right panel, you will see the video transcription will show up. This is the script of this video. Now take this and give it to ChatGPT. You can use something like this. Act as a scriptwriter, read through these scripts, merge their knowledge, and produce a new script for my video subject. Use the same tone, hooks, pacing, and structure of the original scripts. Copy the scripts and your video title, and ChatGPT will provide a complete, engaging script for your video. But this is not the only way. I will show you 2 more processes for script writing. Either you can train your own GPT model with competitors' scripts, and then provide a one-line idea to get a ready-made script. Or you can give it a working video on your subject, copy its script and paste it into ChatGPT, and enter, refresh the above script without changing any lines or style to generate a new version maintaining the same style. You will love what you will get. Once the script is written, VoiceOver comes next. And I will definitely recommend using 11 Labs because it is extremely simple. Just log in, go to Voices, select a deep, robust voice, save it into My Voice. And then click on Text-to-Speech, select your chosen voice, and copy your script in 200 to 300 word blocks. That way, the voice sounds organic and human. But now comes the biggest portion, editing. That's the part that most creators find hardest to do and eventually fall flat. You will not believe how much time content creators waste only trying to get clips for narrative videos. Because let's say you are making one video, but you need to make 10 different accounts because free AI tools stop working after a few coins or free minutes are used up. It is annoying when you have a long-term goal, but here's the trick that makes everything different. We have ChatGPT 5 now, which can generate quality images already. We can use that. Just open a fresh chat, paste the first prompt, and wait. Seconds later, the first image popped up exactly like the style we'd studied. You have to keep repeating the process until you get all your visuals. But also, today, I will show you another great hack that will bypass the route of creating an infinite number of AI images. Because let's be honest, even though AI is generating them, it takes time. Instead, we can use real movie clips directly in our videos. In fact, that will make our video look more alive and engaging, while the process will be 7 times faster than creating AI-generated visuals. First, take the script and upload the doc file to ChatGPT with a special prompt. You can find these prompts linked in the description. See, this prompt converts ChatGPT into an editing assistant. It will suggest a relevant keyword for each 3-second gap in your script. When I tested it, ChatGPT provided me with 3 alternative keywords for 44 lines. Then, you simply visit sites like playphrase.me or ClipCafe. On Playphrase, you can search clips based on the dialogue. On ClipCafe, you can search both by keywords and films. On yarn.co, you can download the movie clips on keyword basis. Download all the clips and number them. Numbering will prove helpful while editing. And then open up our editing app, Filmora, and start a new project. First, add your voiceover and place it on the audio track in the timeline. Place your clips on the video track in the sequence you want. But remember, no movie clip should exceed 3 seconds. This is extremely important, else you will face copyright issues. So, trim the clips accordingly and don't forget to apply smooth transitions, nothing too flashy. And now, we need to add a caption. Filmora got a speech-to-text feature, go to Tools, then Speech-to-Text, and choose the language of your video. Filmora will automatically create subtitles with proper timing. After the subtitles have been added, you can modify them, edit fonts, colors, and apply animations from the title section. The AI will take care of most of the effort, particularly audio syncing text. But to make your video truly stand out, you still have to enhance the text manually every 30 seconds. You can add bold effects, special animations, or color highlights on key phrases. This will make your video much more engaging. Once you are done with the whole editing part, export it in 4K format, and your video is ready to upload. But our work is not over yet. If you would like to go viral, you will need good, creative thumbnails as well. This aesthetic is known as modern Taoism aesthetics, or minimalistic style. Use black, red, and white for high contrast and depict human emotion and identity crisis to attract attention. Honestly, thumbnail making is not difficult, but idea generation is. Luckily, we have AI for this. You can put a description on ChatGPT of your thumbnail idea and your video subject. ChatGPT will provide 3 concept suggestions with image prompts. You can then select the idea you prefer. And if you are in doubt, just use AI tools like Leonardo AI. It gives you free daily credits to create the images there, copy and paste the prompt from ChatGPT, and view the outcome. You can even combine all 3 ideas to create several images and choose your favorite as a thumbnail. What's even better is if you know how to edit, you can enhance them in Photoshop as well. Now, you are all set with a great video with a killer thumbnail. With practice, the process of creating a video will take you only 1 or 2 hours. And just 1 hour of dedication per day can get you 4 to 5 figures US dollars every month. That's the power of AI-based YouTube automation. But hold on. Depending on the niche, many subtle things like video design, scripting, and thumbnail change a lot. And it's important to change. If you want a detailed breakdown about any specific niche, just let me know in the comments below. If anyone tries this strategy and grows their channel, don't forget to tell me how it goes and share your experience.
What if humans could live forever?
We're gonna live forever.
Imagine a life where time never runs out, where every sunset could be chased, every dream completed, every story fully told. It sounds like a fantasy, a blessing. But what if immortality wasn't a gift at all? What if living forever was a puzzle, a challenge, and sometimes a prison?